This tutorial will guide you through the process of changing your club and club logo and EA Sports FC Mobile. Customizing your club is a great way to give it a fresh look or personalize it to reflect your style. Follow the steps to easily navigate the game's features and make your desired changes. So let's begin. Open the FC Mobile app. After you open the FC Mobile app, make sure that your account is logged in. And as you can see, mine is already open. And the main screen of the FC Mobile app, tap the Club tab beside the Play tab. And the Club tab, tap the Locker Room tab below the Exchange tab. In the Locker Room tab, tap the Home tab beside the User Logo tab. And the Home tab, this is where you can choose or change your club logo and the FC Mobile app. And there you have now successfully changed your club name and logo and EA Sports FC Mobile. Customizing your club not only enhances your gaming experience, but also allows you to express your individuality. Feel free to revisit the customization options anytime you wish to make further changes.